Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. In today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the rooting of the cuttings, because a lot of people tend to ask me when will this plant root or when will this leaf root. I wish I could have given you a direct answer to it, but unfortunately there is nothing much that I can say that if I'm going to say it's going to happen within a week, it will happen within a week, because there are a lot of factors that play an important role in rooting of the pup or a stem cutting or a beheading, or even for that matter leaf propagation. This completely depends upon your environment and climate, and also the variety of succulent. Now I will put the dates because I don't remember. I'll have to check the dates. These two cuttings were done some time back, and as you can see both of them have not rooted. This cutting was done earlier, so I'm just waiting. They have been kept on the cocoa peat, the dry cocoa peat, for them to root. At the same time, this pup was separated some time back of the HO area. I have already made a video on it, and if I'm going to show you a little bit closer, as you can see, small little pink tiny dots, those are the roots that are just starting to come up. Now this was taken out quite later. This one was separated quite later as compared to these, but you can see they are still not rooted. So it completely depends upon the succulent, upon the environment, climate. We do not have any say in it. It all depends upon the variety of succulent. All you can do is just keep them and just wait. Whenever you tend to see roots, you can go ahead and water it. Whenever this happens, I will definitely make a video on it, how to repot it and put it into the soil. But I'm not sure how long will it take. Probably this will take another couple of weeks, and these might even take another month. I'm not very sure. It all depends upon the variety of succulent. So a lot of you who ask me questions, when will this root? I definitely don't have an answer to it. It all depends upon the succulent cutting and the type of environment you have. So just wait. If you have a cutting done, if you have a leaf propagation in process, just wait. All you can do is just have patience and wait. We can't do much about it. It's not that by adding rooting hormone it's going to grow faster. I haven't added rooting hormone to this one, so even without adding the rooting hormone it is starting to put out roots. So it all depends upon the succulent. So all you need to do is just have some patience, and it will show up someday or the other. All you have to do is just wait. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.